only he knows what he might do. A cool dress and walk, a real hip talk.
Yeah, I'ma take y'all there, right? I got a vendetta, who make hits, my hands better. The flow is money, like I wet up the bank teller. The tattle tellers tell us we like it, that's being modest. Cause I am a motherfucker, your mama is in the bondage. I promise I bomb it, drunk with power, this gin and tonic. Where I'm from, niggas will have you singing like Harry Connick. So fake thug shit and that drug shit, homie, stop it. Cause I'm from where niggas get popped and hoes got dope in they stockings. This real shit we deal with, and ignorance is an illness. No pill could heal, nigga, feel this. What can you tell us? We see death up out the window. Our friends go just as fast as the wind blows. We wishing we could be as happy as the wind's lows. The pain of my kin folks in every pen stroke. Fly, 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 fly city, and I'ma hold it down till God come and get me. Look, this for the people who think it's easy enough. They say pound the pavement, shit we beating it up. Get robbed for bread cause niggas ain't eating enough. In the club deep as the fuck every weekend heating it up. I could tell you what the news like. Niggas you knew on the tube the past 2 nights. It ain't no such thing as do right, just move right. Cause half the niggas in the hood got 2 strikes. Play your position overpopulated with liquor stores. The liquor pours to a drunk mind that think, what am I living for? You drowning, why? The conditions that we surrounded by. The shit we hate is the shit that we bounded by. See, true beef is when somebody stop breathing. Not the shit rappers do, I mean really, somebody leave it. My neighborhood, it be safe for the pack of vests. Unless you think your mama look good in that black dress this kind.
What happens if there's a 6th clip?
I'll figure it out.
Lyrically, I cause a holocaust when bottles toss as Molotovs. Mob hits, niggas are screaming, he shot the boss. While I'm drunk as hell, laughing, stumbling out of court. They dumping them by the park, that's something I'm not involved. The sweet sounds of a street serenade, for lack of a better phrase. It's sour, so we asking for better days. The power of the black that was led astray, blessing the lead away. Cemeteries packing the dead away. The mind of a lost soldier, before closure. My poor shoulders carried the weight of 4 boulders. Life's kinda rocky like slime before Cobra. So call Oprah, take a piss on that horse sofa. Everybody's ballin', but Ram won't cross over. The more money, the more snakes, the more vultures. They talk funny, they all fakes, I'm more focused. My prognosis is hot doses, hitting them up like pot wrote this. These cockroaches scurry around when the lights on. I give him a thrill as soon as the mic's on. Tights on, gel tattoos cover his pythons. Icon, a seat on the throne, that's what my sight's on. Controlling the heat, they say I'm like Braun, but I ignite bombs. Verbal abortion, serving them portions of death. Ain't no rest in peace, sleep, turning your coffin. I was turned to an orphan, I don't pay a preacher. Fuck religion, I go in your church and burn up the offerings. Motherfucker, so what you offering? I only talk money, my nigga, so what you talking? See, one time, so I hold my gun. A drunk mind speaks a sober tongue, so you supposed to run. Exterminator, with a hard drive of plans to save the game, but never return the data, I'm gone.
He's the bone for the soup, real front page scoop. Only he knows what he might do. A cool dress and walk, a real